Welcome back! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Lindner Hotel Vienna am Belvedere. Located in Vienna, Austria, next to the beautiful Belvedere Schlossgarten, and close to the Rennweg train station, this is a Category 1 hotel, meaning nights are as cheap as 3,500 Hyatt Points per night. The lobby is a decent size, with a bar at one end and the check-in desk at the other. Check-in was quick, and they had proactively upgraded me to a junior suite. Let's check it out. The first thing I noticed after getting off the elevator is the completely dark hallways. There are motion-activated lights here, but they take a good few seconds to turn on, so I was stumbling around in the dark for a little bit. The room itself is a decent size, with a partition between the bedroom and the living room areas. There's a desk, sofa and chairs, and a TV. There's a king bed and another TV. I found the bed to be very firm and the sheets on the scratchy side. That said, I slept fine. There are some nice large windows with a decent view. I encountered very little street noise, and as an added bonus, the windows actually open. The bathroom is another partition off the rest of the room. Water pressure is fantastic, real rip your skin off levels, just the way I like it. Soaps are in the big bottles. The biggest issue I had with this room is that there was literally no Wi-Fi signal available. I inquired at the front desk, and they basically said that it was a known issue that the junior suites didn't get Wi-Fi. Seems like something they should fix. Thankfully, the hotel next door had a good signal, and I was able to piggyback off of that instead. The fitness center here is in a prime location. It's a top floor with views of the Belvedere Schlossgarten. There's a decent variety of equipment, and I love all the natural light in here. There's also a spa. Sadly, I did not have time to check it out. One of the great perks of being a Hyatt Globalist is that you get free breakfast, and the breakfast here is really quite nice. It's a buffet with a nice range of items, and my personal favorite, a fresh orange juice squeezer that you get to use yourself. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this hotel. On the pro side of things, it's a good location, it's an easy walk to the Belvedere, and easy access by train to the airport. There's excellent breakfast, and it's an amazing value, especially when booked on points. On the con side of things, there's scratchy sheets, and the Wi-Fi is pretty much non-existent in the junior suites. Vienna is a great city to walk around, and the public transit is great. There's a tram line on the street right outside of the hotel, and it's easy to get around the entire city. Overall, I had a great stay here and would recommend this hotel, especially for the price. It may not be the most luxurious of hotels, but the value is hard to resist, and next time I'm visiting Vienna, I'll be sure to stay here again. Thanks for watching!